Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to solve this nice SAT question in few seconds. But what should we do? Okay, the question says 10 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 1000. Let's start with the right side. As you know, 1000 equals 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10 to the power of 3. It's gonna be 10 to the power of 2x minus 3 equals 10 to the power of 3. Look, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. Therefore, it is equals 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3. Same base, therefore, exponent are same. It's gonna be 2x minus 3 equals 3. Let's transpose it to the right side. Do not forget, when you change the side, you need to change the sign. If negative, change it to positive. If positive, change it to negative. It's gonna be 2x equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Both sides divide by 2. 2 cancel out, and x is going to be 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and this is our answer. Option 1 no, option B is correct. But